Alright, so in this guide section, I'm going to show you how you can add your products. Shall we say, dati I've shown you how you can load the initial products here. But since may mga products dito na wala ka, and meron ding meron, and then yung meron, i-retain mo lang, yung wala, i-delete mo, and then yung wala dito na meron ka, then i-add mo siya dito. How you can add that one? Go to product na walang S section here, and then you'll be redirected here. So you need to upload the image and the details of the products. Now, in order for you to have an image, I will say mag-upload tayo ng products na, di ba dati we deleted the Milo here in the previous section or the previous video. So shall we say meron pala akong Milo sa tindahan. So we're going to add that one. You can go to Google and then get an image there for Milo para maka-upload tayo ng image. You don't necessarily need to take a picture doon sa Milo na products na yon. And then there you have it. You can do this one. Okay, right click mo lang and then save as kung nasa Google Chrome ka. Then make sure alam mo kung nasaan na download. So na-download ko siya doon sa aking download folder, and then I'm gonna upload it one. And then there you have it sa download folder ko. Then there you have it. I have already an image sa Milo. And then here, product name, so I will say Milo Sachet, 24 grams, right? And then description. So sa description, you can use ChatGPT to create a description for you. Okay, sabihin mo dito, create a description about this product. Right? Lagay mo ganyan. Tapos, enter mo, and then ChatGPT will going to give you a short description. Okay? So you can copy this first paragraph here. Hindi mo kailangang copy lahat kasi masyadong mahaba. So copy a little bit kasi hindi mo naman kailangan talaga lagyan ng description. So for the sake of this one, para maganda yung website mo, yung mga products mo, lagyan na lang natin ng description. So you can paste that one here, and then supplier price. Here's the thing. So kung magkano yung kuha mo sa supplier mo, magkano yung presyo doon sa supermarket or any supplier na pinagkukunan mo ng product, din nilagay mo dito. So let's say, ang kuha mo sa merkado or sa supplier mo sa supermarket is 9.5 pesos. Right? And then, you need to put the markup. How much was your tubo? Okay? So we say, most likely 15%. And then, automatically, yung final price magkukompute na siya. So, you can retain that one, that computed final price, but then you can also change that one. Yan, pwedeng ganyan. And then, category, sabihin natin, this is a part of beverages, I think. Right? Beverages. Pwede na yan, or pwedeng maglagay ka rin chocolate drinks na category or any categories you would think of. Then quantity, make sure that you need to put the quantity here. So, shall we say, meron kang stock sa bahay mo ng 20 pieces. Right? And then, itong quantity segregation, ipapaliwanag ko to kasi medyo mahaba yung explanation nito doon sa ating gratis training program. So, panoorin mo rin yung gratis training program natin. So, sold, leave as blank mo lang yan or lagyan mo ng 0 kasi wala pang benta ito. And then, barcode. So, pwede mong i-scan yung exact barcode gamit ang camera mo. So, since hindi ito magagamit kasi ginagamit ko yung camera ko ngayon. So, using your camera, or you can also use kung meron kang barcode scanner, you can also use that one para yung barcode scanner talaga ang magde-detect ng barcode ng Milo kung meron kang Milo product. And the barcode, you can also generate kung wala kang barcode and ayaw mong sundin yung barcode na nasa Milo, you can also click generate here para mag-generate siya ng barcode. And then after that one, you can click add products. And there you have it. You have now successfully uploaded the Milo products here. So that's how you're gonna add products. And then on the next video, pag-uusapan naman natin paano naman bibigyan or lalagyan ng barcode itong Milo or itong mga products na to gamit ang camera ng cellphone mo o yung webcam mo sa desktop, or kung may barcode scanner ka talaga, paano yun ginagawa. That is in preparation for the point of sale or POS system natin. And by the way, lastly, you can add unlimited products here because you are already upgraded to Cosmic Club Store account. So sa gratis Club Store kasi limited lamang yung pwede mo ma-upload na products dito, up to 50. And if you invite others, dadagdagan ng 10 yon. But since you are upgraded to Cosmic Club Store, you don't necessarily need to worry about the limitation. Everything is unlimited here, unlimited products, unlimited categories, unlimited users, and you can fully use all of the features including the POS and the raffle system natin dito sa Cosmic Club Store account. So thank you. Proceed ka na ngayon to the next video. Pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano naman mag-add ng barcode properly dito sa mga products na to.